Hi guys, I'm Ragini and welcome back to my channel. I got this snake plant from nursery. This is the moonshine variety. The reason why I picked this particular plant is because only this one had the new pup coming out of it. Rest of the other ones had only 2 plants in each pot. So today I'll be repotting it and propagating it by root division. Okay, so now let's take out this plant out of this nursery pot. I have watered it already because the soil had become very compacted. I'm taking out enough soil out so that I can easily cut out the pup. There we go. Just make sure to have some roots with the baby plant as well. I'm using turmeric powder on the cuts to prevent any kind of infection. We can use any fungicide or cinnamon powder as well. I only had turmeric as of now, so I'm using it. Root division is one of the best methods for propagating. We can also propagate a snake plant by leaf cutting, but it takes a lot of time to show new growth. Let me show you one of my leaf propagation. This has finally started showing new growth after I don't even remember how many months. So you need a lot of patience with the leaf cutting. So let's pot this up in new fresh well-draining soil. Okay, so it's done. See how beautiful they look now. I'll just clean this up and show you the final look. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Bye.